What is up, y'all? It's HR Sim, and I'm just trying to win. And today we got a video recommended by my cousin Dion. I'm out here name dropping, but channel's young, and I appreciate it. But he's doing me this video. It's some Audi. It's like you see how long it is, 4 minutes, and I was about to watch it, and then I was like, no bull. I'll probably just react to it. I feel like that might, you know what I mean? I'm trying to get this going too. He was like, yo, that'll be smooth. So this is my live reaction to this video. Shout out Dion. And if anyone got videos want me to react to or any type videos or something related, let me know. But I'm gonna just start this video up. I hope the volume isn't fucked up and you guys can hear what I hear. Vehicle shown as a concept that's not a bit. Hold up, why am I so large? I'm gonna pause this real quick. Why am I so... Niggas don't care about me. Niggas don't give a fuck about me. Hold up. I'm gonna restart the video just cause. Vehicle shown as a concept. That car does look pretty sleek. Damn, bro, that's so majestic. Wherever they are. I doubt that's in the US. She had the Audi app. Yeah, the features now. Bro, that garage.
The story of living progress continues with our vision of tomorrow's progressive luxury.
Bro, it kind of looks like I was about to say kind of looks like a Tesla, but I don't know. I'm not really rocking with the back. I don't really like how the back is, to be honest. The front is so sexy. Yeah, they're living that dream life. And then...
A vision that's exclusive, sustainable,
suicide
fully
doors.
Electric, and human-centric.
That is nice. That's nice. Okay. And then obviously there's Hello Space.
Welcome, Hannah. Here is the playlist you were already listening to inside.
Yeah, that majestic voice. I know you'll probably get sick of it if you have the car for a while, but that majestic voice, like the people the first time in it. Sounds so futuristic. I love the window space.
Your new estimated time of arrival will affect your schedule. Would you care to order lunch?
Whoa. I was about to say, that's hella distracting. Did they just order lunch? I love the window
the
space.
The Audi Progress Circle has various exclusive events available along your journey today. Would you like to schedule a visit? Visit confirmed. Your appointments and a new navigation route has been successfully entered.
A vision filled with meaningful and fascinating experiences for all the senses, in which digitalization creates freedom and holistic sustainability offers peace of mind.
No, that's dope for sure. I thought that was part of the Audi. That's fire because, like I said, I don't like the. Where the hell did that food just come from?
It's so
hold on. No. Yo. Nah.
It's an immersive sphere.
I know this is a
that
concept.
inspires.
I know this is a concept. But
With
where did that food just come from? Oh, lunch has been. I thought they ordered from a restaurant. He ordered the food from his car.
It's so
Nah,
much
she
more
eating
than
calamari.
just
Nah,
an interior.
I don't know how I feel about that.
It's an immersive
That's
sphere
funny, though.
that inspires.
That's actually
With
hilarious.
room to connect, to create, and to
A knob
recharge.
twister, okay, that's fine. But as you lean back, it's like, you know what I mean? Like the knob.
It's an experience device focused on your comfort.
Hold up, I gotta see that again. That was nice. I like the way the steering wheel came out. He did this. He did a
It's an
command
experience
thing.
device
Wow, that's a nice
focused
steering wheel.
on your comfort.
You see the Tesla one? How it's like it's missing the top. Some people don't like that because it's like comfort-wise. I mean, I wouldn't know how it feels, but I like that one. How it's sleek. That house is amazing. Okay, that's not a house. That's a that office is a nice though. This can't be in the U.S. Watch it be like Switzerland or something like that. This is awesome, man. Just watching this commercial, I feel high class. Like I mean, like I feel like
A private, first-class lounge for the urban environment, automated, digital, and social, powered by a holistic digital ecosystem.
I'm gonna start watching more commercials and shit like this. I mean, is this even a commercial? What do you call this a commercial?
It's our vision, a future premium mobility. Emotional, intuitive, and grand.
It has auto pull up. I know
DJ
Tesla has that.
Satin
Even though it's kind of
Jackets
pointless.
is now online with an exclusive live stream. Would you like to attend? Attendance confirmed. You are now live with DJ Satin Jackets.
Okay, I don't know how I feel about auto recommendation because, I mean, like, I live in like the Boston area, so
Shaping the future.
I feel like it'll just be like
Introducing the Audi Grand
things.
Sphere
Like, this is on,
concept.
this is on, this is on. And it's like, I'm just trying to drive. That's dope, though. That's fine. Nah, that was a nice commercial. That's done with it. That was dope. Nah, Audi got big plans. I mean, every company has big plans. Like, I know Lexus, Ford got their EVs coming out. Obviously, Tesla. Basically everything. Like, and before you know it, we're gonna blink and there's gonna be an Apple car. So, I mean, that was honestly, like, I actually liked watching that. I know it's a concept and I know it's not really happening, but like, in terms of just like the future and what that holds, bro, I'm hyped for the future, honestly. Flying cars, like, they didn't even have to be flying cars. I don't care about that for now. And like, imagine the safety precautions on that. I literally don't even care about that right now. But self-driving vehicles and like just luxury class cars, I'm hyped for the future. I don't like the back on that car, but like, I already know there's gonna be a ton of amazing luxury cars that I just love in the future. And hey, I plan to be having one, so we'll see about that. But we'll catch you on the next video. HR Sim out.